Listen up, the game has changed. In today's digital world, creating content is just the beginning. If you want to stand out, you need to think bigger, smarter, and more strategically than ever before. The old way, making one video, one post, or one podcast episode and moving on, is over. Now it's about maximizing every idea, every conversation, and every moment you capture. One piece of content isn't enough. Audiences are scattered across platforms and their attention is more divided than ever. If you're only showing up in one place, you're missing out on countless opportunities to connect, engage, and grow your brand. A master repurposer sees a podcast as a solar system of content. Each episode is a sun, radiating energy that can be transformed into dozens of new pieces, clips, quotes, articles, graphics, and more. It's about turning one idea into a universe of possibilities. It's about working smarter, reaching people where they are, and making your message impossible to ignore. Repurposing lets you amplify your voice without burning out or starting from scratch every time. Attention is the currency of 2025. Your audience is everywhere, scrolling, listening, watching, and searching. To win, you need to be present in all the places they spend their time. Show up on every platform, respecting their time and attention. Adapt your message for each space and make every interaction count. Repurposing isn't just efficient, it's essential for building real relationships. Stop creating, start documenting, and repurposing. Build your brand by making every piece of content work harder for you. The future belongs to those who master the art of repurposing. Let's get into the dirt. Here's the blueprint for turning a single piece of audio gold into a content empire that dominates every platform. It all starts with intention. Before you even hit record, you need a plan. Think about your audience, your message, and the platforms you want to reach. Map out the themes and moments you want to capture so you're not just recording, but creating with purpose. Record with repurposing in mind. Aim for sound bites, quotable moments, and stories that can live beyond the episode. Ask questions that spark memorable answers. Encourage guests to share insights that are easily clipped and shared. Every minute you record is potential fuel for dozens of pieces of content. Listen actively to identify nuggets of value. As you review, look for those moments that make you pause, laugh, or think. Mark timestamps, jot down ideas, and highlight anything that could resonate with different audiences. This is where the magic starts, finding the gold hidden in the conversation. Next, transform your audio for each platform: TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and beyond. Edit clips to fit the style and length that works best for each space. Add captions, visuals, and hooks that grab attention in the first few seconds. Make every piece feel native to where it's posted. Context is key. Be a native, not a tourist. Study the trends, language, and culture of each platform. Adapt your message so it feels like it belongs, not like it was dropped in from somewhere else. The more you blend in, the more your content stands out. Systematize the process. Identify, create, design right. Build a workflow that lets you move from raw audio to polished posts efficiently. Use checklists, templates, and collaboration tools to keep everyone on track and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. It's about discipline and execution, not magic. Consistency beats inspiration every time. Show up, do the work, and trust the process. The more you repeat it, the better and faster you'll get. Build a machine for high-quality content from one source. Achieve scale, reach new audiences, and turn every episode into a platform-dominating force. This is how you go from audio gold to true content domination. Let's get practical. Imagine you have a single powerful podcast moment, just one story, one insight, or one rant. Now, think about how you can multiply its impact by sharing it across many platforms, each with its own unique style and audience. This is the heart of executing the content game, maximizing every piece of content you create. On TikTok, take that moment and turn it into an energetic, bite-sized video. Add captions, trending sounds, and make it visually punchy to grab attention in seconds. The goal is to stop the scroll and spark instant engagement. For Pinterest, distill the essence of your message into a visually stunning quote graphic. Use bold colors, creative fonts, and imagery that inspires users to save and share. Here, aesthetics and inspiration drive discovery. On Twitter, break down your podcast moment into a 5-tweet thread. Each tweet should build on the last, offering value, sparking conversation, and encouraging retweets. Threads are perfect for storytelling and deep dives. For LinkedIn, craft a narrative post that pairs your video with a thought-provoking question. This platform values insight and discussion, so invite your network to share their perspectives and experiences. Repurpose your content for podcast listeners by providing detailed show notes. Summarize key points, add timestamps, and include resources so your audience can dive deeper and revisit highlights anytime. To truly win, understand user psychology on each app. Study what makes people engage, share, and comment. Analyze your analytics to see what works and adapt your strategy accordingly. Be a chameleon. Adapt your message to fit every format, every audience, and every platform. The same core idea can live 100 different lives online. That's how you execute the content game and truly expand your reach. Why do this work? Leverage and reach are key. Multiply one content piece's impact by 50. Save time, expand reach, and build authority. Create multiple entry points into your world. Consistent message builds trust and credibility. Perception is reality. Craft a powerful perception. Stop making excuses and start building your empire today.